I'm just going to run through an accurate way of measuring this line. I'm not saying this is the definitive method, but this is the one I use. You find that if you put the ruler up to the line, because the depth of the ruler, you can't actually feel the line. So the first thing you have to do is you have to mark the end of the line with a pin. Okay, so I use cutaway pins, so they haven't got a skirt on the bottom of them like most board pins, and it means you can get your finger right the way up to the end and draw a line up against them, whereas with the pin with a skirt you can't draw a line up to them, and you can't get your finger to the point. Okay, so I would put pin in each end. I then find that if you try and line the first pin up with the end of the line, it tends to slip and you can get a lot of inaccuracy, and it's actually much easier to line that pin up with the first long line, which in effect is the 5 centimeters, but that's actually going to be your 0. I then tend to use pins through drilled holes in the ruler, because if you put the pins up against the serrated edge, okay, let me just show you, you can still tilt the ruler, which can make measuring inaccurate, especially if a child gets distracted. So I'll put a different pin to these so they're tactilely different in the holes along the ruler, and then that's not going anywhere. Okay, so then I can go to the first line and go, that's 5, go to the second line, that's 10. Okay, so that's measuring a line of 10 centimeters.